Hello friends, welcome to my pharmacy channel. Today, we are going to solve some multiple choice questions. Let's get started. But before start the video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for notification of more upcoming videos. Let's begin. Question number 1. Which one of the following is not a unit dosage form? A. Tablets. B. Suppositories. C. Powders. D. Pellets. Answer is C. Powders. Explanation. Powders are dry, bulk solid composed of a large number of very fine powders. Question number 2. Monophasic liquids are A. Colloidal solution. B. Suspension. C. Emulsion. D. None of above. Answer is A. Colloidal solution. Explanation. Colloidal solution is true clear solution. Suspension and emulsion are biphasic solutions. Question number 3. Chavanprash Is A. A. Solid dosage form. B. Semi-solid dosage form. C. Liquid dosage form. D. None of above. Answer is B. Semi-solid dosage form. Explanation. Chavanprash is jam-like cooked mixture, having sugars, honey, triphala, ghee, and berries. Question number 4. Applications. Dosage form is meant for A. Parenteral administration. B. Oral administration. C. Topical administration. D. Ophthalmic administration. Answer is C. Topical administration. Explanation. Topical administration is a medication that is applied to body surface, such as skin. Question number 5. Collodions usually contain A. Nitrocellulose. B. Cellulose. C. Methylcellulose. D. Carboxymethylcellulose. Answer is A. Nitrocellulose. Explanation. Collodions is a flammable, syrupy solution of pyroxylin, aka nitrocellulose, cellulose nitrate, flash paper, and gun cotton plus alcohol. Question number 6. Propylene glycol is used in eardrop as A. Preservative. B. Solvent. C. Additive. D. None of above. Answer is B. Solvent. Explanation. Propylene glycol is also called propane 1,2-diol. It is also used as co-solvent in aqueous vehicles. It produces less viscous solution than glycerol. Question number 7. Lozenges are solid dosage form intended for A. Faster action. B. Slow dissolution. C. Slow disintegration. D. None of above. Answer is B. Slow dissolution. Explanation. A throat lozenge is a small, sometimes medicated tablet intended to be dissolved slowly in the mouth to temporarily stop coughs, and lubricate and soothe irritated tissues of the throat, possibly from the common cold, or influenza. Question number 8. A prodrug is A. Pharmacologically inactive derivative. B. Medicinally active. C. Inert substances. D. None of above. Answer is A. Pharmacologically inactive derivative. Explanation. A prodrug is a medication that is administered in an inactive form, and then it becomes active form through a normal metabolic process. For example, aspirin is metabolically activated to give active moiety, salicylic acid. Question number 9. In Apothecaries, the standard unit for weight is A. Grain. B. Dram. C. Pound. D. Scruple. Answer is A. Grain. Explanation. Apothecaries' system of weight is a historical system of mass units, that is pound and grain. Question number 10. In AvoirDupois, the standard unit for weighing is A. Grain. B. Dram. C. Pound. D. Scruple. Answer is C. Pound. Explanation. AvoirDupois' system of weights is based on a pound of 16 ounces. So much for today, see you in the next video. Till then, take care.